Hi friends, in this video I will teach you how to fix the Microsoft Store error, especially if the error code is 080073DOD in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. Many users have reported coming across the error 0800 while downloading apps through the Microsoft Store. There isn't any specific reason behind Microsoft this particular error, but the problem mainly seems to occur due to the corrupted files. So let's move. The first one is to run the Windows Store apps troubleshooter. The Windows Store app troubleshooter is one of the best way to eliminate most of the Microsoft problems. First you have to go to the start menu, then you have to open the settings app. And from here just go down to the troubleshooter tab. Just click on the troubleshooter, other troubleshooters. Now from here, run option present next to the Windows Store app, that is this one. Just run it, so it will start detecting for the errors. Then you can go through the on-screen instructions to apply the potential fixes. So that is the first method. Now the next method is to change the app installation drive. The error message can occur if there is any problem in the destination where the new apps are saved. We'll have to change the destination folder to solve the problem. So to do so, you have to follow the steps. Again, you have to go to the settings window. Now from here, just move to the storage, just open the storage and then go to the storage management and click on advanced storage settings. And from here, choose where new content is saved from the context menu. Just click on where new content is saved and you can decide the drive where you want to save the apps. And now you have to reboot your system and check if the problem is fixed or not. Now the third option is temporarily you have to turn off your Windows Firewall. Windows Firewall can interfere with the connection between the Microsoft Store and its servers and can cause different issues, including the one in the question. So you will have to temporarily disable the Windows Firewall to solve the problem. So follow these steps to do that. Again, you have to go to the start menu. From there you have to type in Windows Security. Just open this app. Now click on Firewall and Network Protection. Just click on the private network. Now toggle this off and that's it. You have successfully disabled the Windows Firewall. Check if the problem is solved. If not, enable the firewall back by following the same steps. Now the fourth step is to clear the Microsoft Store cache files. Clearing the Microsoft Store cache memory is an effective solution. You can try it in the situation. So for that you have to open the run application. Just type in run and run that app. And from here you have to execute wsreset.exe and click on OK. Now a new window will pop up and then you have to clear the Windows Store cache. Now once the process is complete, Microsoft Store will open automatically. Now you can try downloading the application and check if you are still facing the same error message. Now the next step is to repair the Microsoft Store. Windows comes with a built-in Microsoft Store repair option. You can use it to resolve any error revolving around the Microsoft Store. So here is how to repair the Microsoft Store. So for that, first you have to go to the settings and from here click on the app from the left panel of your screen. Now you have to move down to Microsoft Store. See that Microsoft Store. Just click on the three dots and then choose the advanced option. Now from here you can click on repair under the reset option. The repair process will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is completed, reboot your system and check if you are still facing the error message. Now the next option is to run the system file checker, that is SFC. The error message can occur due to the corrupted system files also. And the best way to get rid of such files is to run an SFC scan. For that you have to go and run the command prompt as administrator. You can see that you get the command prompt and run it as administrator. Now type in sfc/scan now, scan now. Just press enter. So once done, reboot your system and check for the issue. The next thing you can try is to perform a clean boot followed by re-downloading the application. In the clean boot state, Windows boot up with a minimal set of drivers and startup applications. For that, you have to again run the dialog box and then type in msconfig, msconfig, and click OK. Now go to the Services tab, then check mark Hide all Microsoft services, and then you have to disable all. After that you have to switch to the Startup tab and then click on Open Task Manager. Then you have to right click on each startup item and choose Disable from the context menu. That is, for example, just right click on this and disable from the context menu. After completing that, close the task manager. Then you have to click on OK, and now you have to restart your system computer to perform a clean boot. Now if that also doesn't solve the issue, then you have to reinstall WindowsStore via PowerShell. It's a straightforward method to remove Microsoft Store and then reinstall using PowerShell. You can do so by the following steps. So for that, you have to right click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and choose Windows Terminal. That is this one. In the Windows PowerShell Terminal tab, enter the following command and press the Enter key. I'll share the command in the description. You can copy it from there and use those commands. So after the first part is done, what you have to do is you have to open the PowerShell again. And from here, you have to execute the following command that you are seeing on the screen right now. This will reinstall the Microsoft Store again. So that's it. You can start using the Microsoft Store again. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.